Hello everyone, I have the latest iPad Pro 2020 launched in March this year. After a lot of struggle I managed to get my piece. It's not available anywhere in Bangalore. I had to wait for close to a month. I have the 256 GB Wi-Fi Cellular 11-inch version. This cost me around 94,900 without the pencil. Pencil is not in stock. I pre-booked it. It will take another week for arriving. So I had the iPad Air 2019 before, but I'm planning to switch over to iPad 2020. So as you can see, it has got a new way of removing the covers, which is easy. And this is a space gray. Come on. This is difficult. Okay, there it is. Put it here. Just the iPad. As you can see, the visible difference between the old iPad and this one is the camera. Here we also have a new sensor. Keep this aside. Instruction manual. Since this is a cellular version, I have this pin for the SIM card slot. Stickers. Got the USB-C charger. First time on the iPad. Let me quickly open this up. So this comes with the 812Z Bionic processor, octa-core processor. With a USB-C slot. This is the antenna for the cellular version. It's got a 13 megapixel rear camera with a flash. There's USB-C type connection, as you can see. The 6 GB RAM. Let me quickly power it up. We've got an LCD touchscreen with 16 million colors. The selfie camera is 7 megapixel and it also has the face unlock. Yeah, that's pretty much about the latest iPad 2020.